DYOR is the acronym for Do Your Own Research because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just presenting for educational purposes what I do or what I think. It is used in disclaimers, especially in the crypto field. So far so good, but what, where and how do we do research? In this video we will detail this aspect of research, how dig into projects on crypto field. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. This way help me grow this channel and you help yourself staying updated with next videos. Here are some general steps you can take to conduct a thorough and informed research. First, must understand the fundamentals. Start by researching the basics of the cryptocurrency, such as its purpose, use cases, and technology. This will help you determine if the project has a clear vision and is well designed. Number 2, study the white paper. Read the white paper to gain a deeper understanding of the project's technical details, features, and roadmap. Make sure the white paper is well written and explains the project clearly and concisely. Third, look into the team. Research the backgrounds of the team members and advisors to determine if they have relevant experience and expertise. Check if they have a good reputation in the industry. Fourth step, analyze the community. Evaluate the size and engagement of the community. Check if the project has a strong social media presence and if the community is active and supportive. Further, the fifth step, check the partnerships. Look into any partnerships the project has established with other companies or projects. This can provide insight into the project's potential for adoption and growth. Sixth step, investigate the market. Analyze the market trends and conditions related to the cryptocurrency. Check the project's historical and current price action, trading volume, and liquidity. The seventh step, keep up to date. Continuously monitor the project's development and progress through official communication channels such as social media, blogs, and newsletters. Stay informed of any major events or news related to the project. And I left tokenomics last because it may be the most important and complex to study. Overall, tokenomics is an important aspect of any cryptocurrency project as it can help determine the token's potential value and growth, as well as the success of the project as a whole. It's important to carefully analyze the tokenomics of any project before making any investment decisions. Let us see here are some key aspects of tokenomics. Token supply. This refers to the total number of tokens that will ever exist and how they will be created and distributed. Token supply can affect the token's value, as a scarce supply can increase demand and price. Token utility. This refers to the usefulness of the token within the ecosystem it is designed for. A token with a strong use case and utility is more likely to have value and be in demand. Token distribution. This refers to how tokens are distributed among investors, team members, and other stakeholders. Token distribution can affect the token's value and ownership, as well as the project's governance. If you've watched the video up to this point, it might seem difficult, but with time and practice, you'll smell far away the scams. One big tip in all this is that there is a tool that makes this work much easier, the website named token.unlocks.app. Here you will find almost everything you need in one place. You will find the link in description. Do not forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Ring the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you.